The Indian government fall claims of the poverty reduction. Indian government think tank NITI Ayog in its latest report claimed that 24.8 crore people in India have been lifted out of the multi-dimensional poverty in 9 years up to the year 2022 to 2023. According to the report, multi-dimensional poverty in India declined from 29.17% in the year 2013 to 2014 to 11.8% in the year 2022 to 2023. 24.82 crore people escaped poverty during the period. At the states level, in the Uttar Pradesh, 5.94 crore people escaped poverty, followed by the Bihar at 3.77 crore and Madhya Pradesh at 2.30 crore. However, the experts have raised serious doubts over the use of the Multidimensional Poverty Index (MPI) to make these claims by the Indian government. Retired Indian Eco-Services Officer KL Datta said MPI is not used by the policymakers to fix the targets. MPI doesn't represent any poverty. Government is trying to project MPI estimate as a substitute for the poverty ratio. Economist and rights activist Jane Drezi expressed serious reservations about the use of MPI and said as it doesn't include any indicator of the short-term purchasing power. Economist and former Vice Chancellor Calcutta University Ashish Banerjee said MPI could not be used as a measure of poverty. India was ranked among 111 among the 125 countries in the Global Hunger Index, according to a report released by two European agencies in the year 2023, which clearly defies the Indian government claim of poverty reduction in the India.